This is the call for fire lane.
Target number, we gotta go 5003, fire for effect.
Recall grid 81803.
81803.
We specialize in long-range, large-scale air assaults, able to travel 200 nautical miles, alone and unafraid.
Bring it. 2 rounds, LHG, Light Alpha. First team, fire.
Door clear.
These howitzers, these Mike 119 Alpha 3 howitzers, are the ability to assault. We can sling load them. They can travel through the air, land on ground, conduct a gun range, shoot, and be immediately picked back up and taken on to the next operation.
These guys are the best of the best. Every time you work with them, you get not just 1% better, you get 10% better every day with these guys. They're awesome. If you don't understand the people you're leading, you're not going to be effective. And I think every day we're out here, we're learning a little bit more. We're learning how to be more cohesive and together so we can win.